How to download Lego Batman Legacy of Dark Knight on your computer or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just scroll down, and if you haven't created the Steam account yet, just go ahead and create the Steam account. After you create the Steam account, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top. Now click on the install Steam option and download and install Steam on your PC. After you install the Steam, open it up and sign in and click on top search box and just type Lego Batman Legacy of Dark Knight. You will see this game on the top. So just open it up and scroll down. Click on the add to cart option and then click on option of view my cart. Now just go ahead and pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount, just go to your library of Steam, find this game, then click on install. And that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.